Just to note, I've already done this on the channel before, but I wanted to make a better tutorial. Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Firefox 52 ESR on Windows 2000 with extended kernel. As you can see, Internet Explorer 6 is kind of outdated, so Firefox 52 isn't the newest browser out there, but it's the last supported version on Windows XP and is 16 years younger than IE6. Here's the extended kernel that I've installed, which will make all of this possible. As you can see, with the extended kernel, the setup wizard initially starts working, however, it shows an error message. In order to bypass the error, you need to mess with the temporary files that the setup wizard initially extracted. Don't close the error or the temporary files will be deleted. They are in the temp folder, which in Windows 2000 is inside the user folder. You have to enable hidden files like this from folder options. This dialog hasn't really changed even to this day. Then go to Local Settings, Temp. Inside you might see a lot of folders, but this 7z something.tmp is what you need. There is a setup file there, which is actually what triggered the error message. There is a program FCWin2k which can force executables to run as if they were on Windows XP. Don't be overwhelmed by the program's appearance, just drag and drop the executable to the file field, set Windows XP as the version you need, and click on Run Compat. And the setup wizard works now. If you have done everything correctly, it should install without issues. It will even create shortcuts on the desktop and taskbar, and when you launch it, it will also take the visual cue of the Windows 2000 title bar gradient, which in my opinion is honestly beautiful compared to some of the modern software. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more interesting content.